హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు నాకు ఒక చాలా క్రియేటివ్ ఐడియా వచ్చింది. బికాజ్ లైక్ నేను టుమారో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అటెండ్ ద వర్క్షాప్ ఆఫ్ కిరణ్ సార్. సో దానికి ఏంటంటే ఒక సాంగ్ షరారా సాంగ్ ఉంది. సో ఐ వాంటెడ్ లైక్ అంటే ఇవన్నీ జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఫన్ కాబట్టి ఐ డెంట్ వాంట్ థింగ్ టు బై న్యూ థింగ్స్ ఓ వాట్ ఎవర్. సో ఉన్నదాన్నే క్రియేటివ్గా చేద్దాం అనేది నా ఐడియా. సో నా దగ్గర ఏంటంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ దిస్ టాప్ విచ్ ఈస్ షార్ట్ కుర్తీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ టాప్. యాక్చువల్లీ దీనికి కూడా ఒక ఫ్లాష్ బ్యాక్ ఉంది. ఇట్ వాజ్ నార్మల్ లాంగ్ టాప్, బట్ ఐరన్ వాళ్ళు దే బర్న్డ్ ఇట్. సో ఐ గాట్ ఇట్ కట్ అండ్ స్టిచ్డ్. ఎప్పుడో దట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ డన్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్. But now what I'm trying to do is the same thing. I want a kind of, I want a kind of overlap or makeover kind of thing. So for this I have taken a old sari. Like usually these gaudy kind of designs, I mean heavy, and it's, I mean, no, I can't say like all heavy works I don't wear. This work is a little kind of which I don't usually wear. So I just kept it aside. Like for the past many years it was kind of lying there. So I thought like using this thread and needle, I thought I would kind of simple thread and needle, I'll kind of make over, because now I don't even have time to get it stitched from tailor or get the alteration done, because and it will be like a petty work, so even they will be not so interested. I mean tailors, they'll be busy. So if we kind of give a new costume for stitching, they'll be interested. But if you kind of go for all these stitching things like cut and stitch and stick something, it's like a repair kind of a work, so they don't kind of get interested, they won't show interest. So I thought the same thing, this I would kind of stitch on this top. And similarly I have like taken a chudidar kind, I mean the pant, which was an old one, which I just kept it somewhere in the shelf in the bottom. So I've taken it. And now sharara, the like from knees you will have flare, I mean with all the frills will come out. So for that also my idea is like before cutting the sari, I'll just stitch with needle and thread, and then once I feel it's okay, then I'll start cutting. So I'll just start the process, see the process, and hope it will be creative, hope you all like it. Okay, let's get started. So now the needle and thread is ready. So what I'm planning to do is like, first let me kind of start it from the bottom of this kurti, short kurti. So I'll make a stitch with the hand itself so that I can cut it or do the adjustments later. Okay, that would be the first step. So here like I have started this from inside, so that I mean I'll not do it I'll not try to do it perfectly, because usually we tend to do all the things perfectly. If not, we feel oh it might not look good or whatever. But now I'm just trying to be a little lenient with my perfection attitude. Because see, you don't need to worry, because these simple stitches will not even come out. You don't need to worry that oh my god, it's not perfect and it might come out. No, nothing like that. These simple stitches will not come out. You can kind of jump, dance, or you can do it like this. So I'll just pause the video and again I'll show you once the work is done. So finally I've taken the risk and I've cut it till where it's needed. Like first see, as I've shown this, I've stitched with needle, and the other side also I've stitched and left a little extra bit, so it will come like this. And at the shoulder part I just stitched a little, So what happens is the neck part I'll cut it, and this extra piece I just left it here so that like I have to kind of fold it, and here we need to kind of stitch it at the neck part and all. So that's why I left a little extra piece. So finally, like, this is the part, this is a separate part, and I have cut this part from the entire sari. Now this I have to use for hands and legs, the pant also. I'll adjust and then I'll come back again. I really hope this would come beautiful. See, this I've taken the pallu part. This will come to the front side of the sharara. So hope it'll really come beautifully. It'll come out the final product. I'm hoping that the final product will be beautiful. And the back also, it's like filled because the saree is like full of work. So front part is actually in the saree we have this blouse piece part right at the end. So I'm planning to use that for the hands, like this part for both the hands. It will give lot of, it'll, I mean, with lot of frills we can have like loose, or lot of frills gives beautiful look to the hands. Of course sharara has to have lot of frills on the hands, and also from the knees it should be like really flary. So this part, the second part, I have to adjust to the pant, and that video I'll make as part 2. Hope you will like it and hope the product comes out beautiful. This is the first experiment. Earlier I had this Gagra, this thing, what was that? It's not caravan. On that I stitched like the ghagras for dandiya. That was the first experiment, and this is like a different experiment. Like, this is what takes away my sleeps in the night. I just get all these creative thoughts, and I'll be like, oh, that sari, this sari, I should cut that, this, that. Oh God, so this will be like over by tomorrow, by this time, hopefully and successfully. So let's see the final product tomorrow. So I'll end the first part here, and once the second part, like the pant and everything is done, I'll shoot one more video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.